The company I'm interning with is SPR Therapeutics. SPR Therapeutics is a company that helps with pain management, and they created the Sprint device to help with chronic pain. Every day is a little bit different, which is something I really like about working here. Some days I'm in the lab doing testing, some days we're building devices, other days I'm filling out papers, doing paperwork, and doing models with SolidWorks and 3D printing and other fun things like that. Maria Bennett is the president, CEO, and founder of SPR Therapeutics, and she was a Miami University College of Engineering alumni. The connection I have with Maria is really great, just to know that I have someone who I can look up to, have a role model, and then also she went through some of the same things that I'm going through, is walking through the same shoes through Miami, so it's just nice to have someone that had similar experiences. The College of Engineering and Computing has prepared me for this internship because we do so many networking events through the career fair, and I'm also in the Society of Women Engineers, and we do resume workshops and different things like that. So my future career goals are to get my master's degree from Miami. I'm enrolled in the 4+1 program, which means you get your bachelor's degree after the 4 years and you only have to stay 1 extra year for your master's, and at the end of it all, I'll get my clinical engineering degree. Since I was little, I've always wanted to make a difference in patients and people's lives, and so getting this head start has really just made me feel very rewarding and very proud.